Today we're excited to introduce the Lulive Dresser for bedroom, a versatile 10-drawer dresser that doubles as a TV stand with built-in power outlets, making it the perfect charging hub for your TV, Wi-Fi router, and gaming gear. This spacious dresser, measuring 43 by 11.81 by 30.71 inches, is designed to fit narrow or long areas in your home, with drawers of varying sizes to help you organize everything from tiny trinkets to bulky items effortlessly. Crafted from eco-friendly, FSC-certified materials, this black fabric dresser not only complements both modern and vintage-inspired interiors but also serves as an ideal entertainment center for apartments, family spaces, and kids' rooms. Supporting TVs up to 50 inches on top or wall-mounted TVs up to 85 inches, it offers flexibility for all your entertainment needs. Built with a durable steel frame, this lightweight 30-pound dresser is easy to assemble in just 20 to 30 minutes and can be moved around to suit your changing needs. Whether you're looking to declutter your living room or add a stylish touch to your bedroom, the Lulive Dresser is the perfect solution for a clutter-free and organized home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.